Okay then, here's the question. It needs a diagram. So here's the question. I'll scroll down to get the diagram now as well, and then I'll come back to the question. So here's the diagram, just over here. Now I'll scroll back to the actual question. And there's the question. So I've summarized it on the page here. So let's have a look at it. So the first thing to do is to show that there's a root between 3 and 4 in part A. So I'll do that here. So I'll call f of x equal to e to the minus x minus 2 plus the square root of x. And we need to work out f of 3 equals and f of 4 and see if a change of sign occurs. Okay, let's tap them in the calculator then. I'll put this over here. So, put 3 in, e to the minus 3, to the negative 3, minus 2 outside the exponential, and then plus the square root of x, isn't it, which is 3. We've inputted 3 and 3 in here and here. We get minus 0.218, which is less than 0, and f of 4. So just toggle back and change the 3 to a 4 in these two slots, isn't it? 4, and put the 4 in here, and we get 0.018. 0.018, which is greater than 0. So I'll put the comment over here. A change of sign occurs. So a root lies between 3 and 4. So that's part A then. Now part B, use the recurrence relation with x1 equals 3.5 to find x2 and x3. So let's have a look at that then. I'll put part B here, and we'll work out x2 and x3. So we've got this, x1 is 3.5, so I'll put it in here, x1, so it'll be bracket 2 minus e exponential, sorry, 2 minus, I'll try and get it right now, if I can, shift E, there we go, but I need a minus in here, don't I? Put a minus in, and then get back to the power. So 2 minus e to the minus 3.5, close bracket then, down to ground level, close bracket, squared. Okay, so that will be x2. Okay, so I wanted to put that, but I'm going to have to put 3.5 in first, aren't I? That's the answer. So now I want to write 2 minus e to the minus ants. There we are, that's better. Close bracket, squared. There we go. So the 3.5 is in ants, and we've got our expression. 3.880122. 3.880122. Now x3 will be easy because we just press the button again because ants is there in the correct place. 3.91783. 3.91783. So we found x to 3dp, so that would be 3.880, and this would be 3.918, and that's to 3 decimal places. So there's that part of the question done there in part B. Draw a staircase or cobweb diagram to show how convergence takes place indicating x2 and x3. So here's x1. We put it in the function up to here, and that would give us the value of x2, which is going to be here then on the curve. So that would be x2. When we reflect it in the y value equals x, that becomes the x2, and then we go up again, and that's the x3 height there, the value, and we go through the axes, and we can just see that that's the x3 on generated here through y equals x again. We get this staircase effect. So that's illustrated there.